Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on my channel. You are watching my channel. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel and share my videos, and keep visiting my channel for more videos. Today we will discuss about how to install and uninstall WhatsApp. So when you buy a phone from the market or any laptop or any system, sometimes it doesn't have already installed application of WhatsApp. You have to download it for the first time, or you have to install it in your system or in mobile. For that purpose, you must have to know about from where to download the WhatsApp. How to download or uninstall WhatsApp. To download WhatsApp, the first step is go to Google Play Store. So from Google Play Store, you can find the WhatsApp Messenger. If you find the application, here we can see the icon of the application help center. This is the sign of or icon of application. You can read it and download it. Then search for WhatsApp Messenger to install. Tap to install. Open WhatsApp and continue to the next screen by agreeing to the terms and services of the application developer. If you want to install that application, you have to agree with the terms and conditions or terms of services of the developer. Register your phone number. You have to add your phone number. You will receive a text for the confirmation that number you have entered is correct or that is belong to you. If a backup of your chat history was found and you would like to restore it, choose restore. If there was a backup of WhatsApp on the previous phone or the phone that was earlier you using, you can reinstall or restore the data that was backup in that phone. Enter your name. You can also change this later in WhatsApp by tapping more options, settings, and tapping on your profile name. How to uninstall WhatsApp? We recommend using chat backup features to back up your messages before delete WhatsApp from your device. Go to your device settings, tap apps, notification, WhatsApp, or uninstall to remove app and all of its data. So related resources: how to download, uninstall WhatsApp, iPhone cares. And if you want to update your WhatsApp application, you can also do it from your Play Store, Google Play Store. If you will select the icon, that will give you the option for the update. If the update notification is shown on the application, you can update it from your Play Store. Thank you so much for watching my video.